Meet Sprocks. Fun, right? Sprocks are magnetic gears. They're designed for anyone who has ever needed a little help getting their own gears turning. And let's face it, that's most of us. Have we piqued your curiosity? What is it about gears that we find so intriguing? Maybe it's how they set our own gears in motion, creating connections that click into place. And magnets? They're cool. Sometimes it's the simple toys that help us discover a world of new possibilities. Occasionally, we need to disconnect in order to connect. All you need is a little nudge to refocus. Sometimes playfulness is the right answer. And beauty can captivate the senses. You just need to sit back and be amazed. Thanks to the advancements in 3D printer technology, Sprocks is now a possibility. We've already produced hundreds of Sprocks and have the manufacturing and shipping nailed down. This is just the beginning.
Hey everybody, I'm Matt. I'm the creator of Sprocks. So, as a child, I was definitely obsessed with gears and magnets. I kind of still am, to be honest with you. Hence Sprocks. I was always that kid who took everything he possibly could apart with a screwdriver. I prototyped the idea at a makerspace that I belong to called the Idea Foundry right here in Columbus. The Idea Foundry is where Sprocks was born and where Sprocks is being made right now. Everybody involved with the making of Sprocks is located within 15 minutes of me. That means no overseas delays and on-time shipping. Now, this is just the beginning and we definitely need your help. If you like the idea of Sprocks and think you or a loved one would enjoy a set of these, please back us and share this project on social media so the rest of the world can experience the fun, captivating, and oddly satisfying joy of Sprocks. Thank you.